Please open Jupyter Notebook. And open file batch Python batch 7 and type done within chat. Okay. Please come on last line. Import your ficus file. To import your file, you need to type here import pandas as ed. Run this code. Second, you need to run pd dot read excel bracket inverted comma. Provide your file name ficus dot xls inverted comma close. Okay. Now run this code again. It will show you dataset. Now again give a name to this code, to this script. For example, I want to give name ficus to this script. Ficus. Run this code again. Now again run ficus and check it's working or not. Okay, no, it's working. Please import ficus file and check and confirm and type done within chat so that I can move to next step. I am waiting for reply from all participants. Okay, maximum participants have typed done. Now I want to move next. Now today we will perform t-test in Python. And first question is how to arrange dataset for specific analysis. Okay, so we have two tasks today: how to arrange a dataset for specific analysis and t-test in Python. Now today we are going toward statistical analysis. We have learned how to read, write, edit, and generate Python script. Now we are able to create, run, or generate any type of code with the help of ChatGPT, and we can run it in Python. Now we are going to statistics. So today our task is a t-test in Python, or to perform t-test in Python. When you want to perform any statistical test, 5 or 6 questions should be arised in your mind. Question number 1. What is t-test? Why t-test? Why we are performing t-test? First, what is t-test? Why we are performing t-test? Third, types of t-test. Sample data for all types of t-test. Last question, which is very important. Which type of t-test will fit on your dataset? For example, you have your research data of your own field or of your own research. You want to check which type of t-test you can apply. So you need to find its answer. No, you can find these answers from Google, from website, or from ChatGPT. The best option, best and immediate option is ChatGPT. You will get results within few minutes or few seconds. While when you work on Google or other tools, you may need to explore more websites for getting your desired answer. ChatGPT will provide you accurate and your desired answer just a few seconds or minutes. So because we have no data, I am not providing any data to ChatGPT. I'm just asking these 5 questions. These 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am sending these questions. Please, you also save this question. You need to ask this question every time. When you want to perform statistical analysis, maybe t-test, maybe ANOVA, maybe regression, any type of analysis you can use for, you can use these questions. I am sending these questions. Please save these questions. Check your WhatsApp group. Okay. You need to copy first 5 questions. Copy these first 5 questions. Select and press Ctrl C. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. And paste this question here. And send a message. When you send this message, ChatGPT show you t-test is the statistical test used to determine if there is a significant difference between the means of 2 groups based on one sample data. It's assessed to whether the observed difference in the mean is likely due to the random chance or representing a true difference in a population. So for t-test, you need only 2 group. This is the main point. Mean of 2 group. You can compare mean of two group. If you open your data set, ficus, it have three group. One is S1, second S2, third is S3. It means we cannot apply t-test on this data set. But if you remove group 3, you can apply t-test between group 1, S1 and S2. If you remove group 1, you can apply t-test between S2 and S3. So you need only two group for t-test. If you have more than two groups, then you need to perform ANOVA, analysis of variance. So now we have three group in our data set. One is S1 group, S2 and S3. So we need to perform ANOVA, not t-test. But if we select just only two group, S1 and S2, we can apply t-test. We select S1 and S3, we can apply t-test. We can also select S2 and S3. For this, we can also apply t-test. So you can apply t-test on two group at a time. Now next question is, why t-test? T-test is used to assess group difference. We can check the difference between group. We can check the statistical significance and control for sample size. Type of t-test. There are three types of t-test. First is one sample t-test. You have only one sample. Compare the mean of the single group to unknown or hypothesized values. For example, you are working on average age of different peoples. For example, here is the table. Here is the age of 1, 2, 3, 4 person. For example, 40, 90, 70, 62. These are the ages of these 4 person. 1, 2, 3, 4. While the worldwide average age is about 60, reported in articles or other sources. So you can compare these experimented value with already known values. Although you don't have this value in your data set, although it is not included in your experiment, but you can compare these already available values with newly experiment outputs. For example, we get age of person 140, person 290, person 370, and person 462. So we can compare these ages with 60. So comparing the mean of the single group to a known or hypothesized values. Example, testing of the average IQ of class is different from the general population of 100 IQ of hundreds. Next is independent t-test. Compare the mean of two independent groups to see if they are differ significantly, as like in our data set, ficus, S1 and S2. Next is paired dependent t-test. Compare the mean from the same group at the different times. Group same, but times are different. For example, before and after. For example, you have a group of patients, 10 patients, 1, patient 2, patient 3, patient 4. And you are noted sugar level before meal and after meal. Before and after. Before meal in this column, after meal in this column. You can compare both of these. So these three types are for t-test. No. Next question, which type will be fit on our dataset. So according to these definitions, second step, independent two sample t-test will be fit on our ficus dataset. But we also, if you want to also apply one sample t-test, paired sample t-test, or independent two test, you need to check sample dataset. Here are the sample dataset. ChatGPT also give me a sample dataset, but I say, please give me sample data in table form and send message. No, ChatGPT will give you sample data for each type of analysis, each type of t-test. Here is the sample data set. Now, if you have your data, you can arrange your data according to this file. According to this, if you want to apply one sample t-test, you need to apply your data set like this. If you want to apply two group sample test, for example, class 1 and class 2, here are the two groups, one group for class 1 and second group for class 2. You can apply independent t-test. If you want to compare the pre-treatment score and after treatment score, or you can apply paired dependent t-test, you can use this dataset as a sample dataset. You need to arrange your dataset according to this file. Now, I want to write a line. Thanks. Now, I want to perform all three types of t-test on sample dataset in Python and also draw their plots and send message. Here is this is the combined analysis for this is the first is sample setup and sample data. So here is your sample data range, independent data here for independent data, and here for paired data. Perform t-test and plot results. In first code, he gives you your data set in Python are used to import Python dataset. Paste here and run this code. No data is imported. Now next step. Perform t-test and plot results. Copy. Open Python. Paste and run. Yes. Here is the one sample t-test score as was population means. No. If you want to perform independent two test sample, copy, open Python, paste here and run. Here is independent t-test. Class 1 was class 2 or S1 was S2. Again, paired dependent t-test, copy, paste, and run. Yes, here is the paired t-test pre and post treatment scores. I hope now you have understand. Now you need to do practice, and if you face an issue, you can discuss me. Please perform all these steps. You need to find the answer of 4 questions, and then you need to apply your t-test analysis. If you have an issue, please let me know. I will resolve it. Please create this plot and share the result of this plot within group. If you have any questions, please you can ask. Now you have a time, 25 minutes. Please perform these t-test and all type of t-test. I have sent these questions within group. Now I am sending the all information or questions created on ChatGPT about t-test. Okay. Please let me know you are ready for practice. We have 20 minutes for practice. Are you hearing me? Hello. Please let me know. Are you hearing me? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Fangi. Please, if you have any question related to today class or have any issue, I am here. You can share your screen or you can ask your question. Okay. First you try, and then if you face an issue, let me know. I will resolve it.
I'm just gonna zoom.
Recording in progress.
Oh shit. Can you see it?
Yes. No issue. You can also demand to ChatGPT give me another plot like me. You can say to ChatGPT, I need script for KDE plot.
Right?
Thanks. Thanks. Please also share your ChatGPT screen. You have just shared your
I also
Please share your entire screen.
How to share?
I am closing your screen. Please share it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Cannot see share button.
Please close your mic from one device
Mm.
and share again.
I'm not seeing the share button here.
Share button is at the bottom of your screen.
Okay.
Green button.
Right.
Click, and when you click on it, will show you some windows. You need to select first one, which is topper
Entire screen.
with blue box. Yes, no, it's full screen mode. Okay. Type thanks.
Mm.
Please give me KDE plot.
E.
KDE. Small de. K capital DE. Not I. E. KDE. Yes. KDE plot. Plot script for independent t-test.
For independent test.
Yes, for independent t-test. Okay. And send message to ChatGPT.
Okay.
Send this message, please. Here is the plot for they show me. Yes, KDE plot. Okay, copy. Open Python. Run this code. Yes, here is the KDE plot. You
So I
need
should
to
do this.
also need to understand the name of these codes. You can also ChatGPT, open ChatGPT and ask other plots are available for this analysis, other type of plots available for independent t-test. Please give me plot names. Check plot names and select which one you want to create. Or you may try and then select anyone. Try all and select yes. Please give me the names of all these type of plot. Okay, send message. So here are some names of plot you can create. You say ChatGPT give me a QQ plot, density plot, bar plot, box plot, violin plot. ChatGPT will write code for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now you need to apply t-test on your own dataset. If you have your own research dataset, create a group of two in your dataset. Create group for two. For example, you may create group 1 and group 2 in your dataset and arrange your dataset according to given sample dataset in ChatGPT and try to apply t-test on your own dataset. Or if you don't have dataset, you can also try on ficus dataset. First, you need to provide, or you may arrange a new file for practice, or you can do on your ficus dataset, just excluding one group. You may exclude group 3, or you may exclude group 2. Okay, Hope you can do it easily. Please draw this plot and share it within group. Okay. Now hopefully all participants can done it easily. Just only one participant have sent plot within group. So please all participants create plot and share this plot within group. Okay, Fungi, please share your screen. Yes, you have 3 plots. Scroll down. Yes, it's okay. Great. You have done all plots in one screen. One t-test, independent sample t-test, k-test. Now, if you want to draw KDE plot, you need to write ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT. Shared only one screen. Please, when you share your screen, try to share entire screen so that you can show me your browser as well as your Python. Please share your screen, entire screen again. Fungi, please share your screen. Okay, write a message here. Thanks. Now I want to create KDE plot for independent t-test. KDE. K for kite. KDE. Elephant. E. Yes. KDE plot. And send message. Okay. Copy this code and run in Python. Copy this code and run this code in Python. Okay. Now hopefully you will done it easily. Yes. Okay, good. Now all plots converted into KDE plots. Okay, thank you. And in our next class, we will perform work on ANOVA. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.